All right, guys. So it's Ray. So y'all know that I showed y'all on Instagram that I had this pulley go out right here, and I don't know. I guess you guys can see that right here. So you have to get it from the bottom. So I think if I take the belt and the spring off, I think I can push this arm out behind the deck there, where I can get a socket underneath it, aim it up. Also, look how bent this is. Look how crooked that is. It's cutting into the deck right here on this side. Look at that. That's just all kind of problems, man. Metal on metal gets really hot when it's spinning like that, and it can actually catch any grass on the deck on fire, and it can also get hot enough to, well, to stretch the belt out or even break the belt. And not to mention, cut into the deck there too, I mean, you look right there. You can see where it's done. You see clean metal. It's done cut into the deck. So I guess the first thing I need to do is I need to take the belt off and get the tension off of it and see how far back I can push this right here. This one right here. If I get it to go out behind the deck there, then I won't have to take all that arm and everything off. So yeah. We'll just have to see, y'all. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put you on time lapse. Peace out. Okay, guys, so y'all see me working on the mower, well, I kind of should have been thinking a little bit more when I was at the dealer, but it don't really matter. It's going to start pouring now, raining. But look at this right here. This is the bolt that the pulley was just eating up on. So yeah. So I need one of these, and I need I need one of these this size, and I need one 2.5 inches and 3 inches. So yeah. All right, guys. So I'm under the mower here. Got the wheel off, and so we got a small problem here. I don't know if you guys can see. That's the arm right here. So that's the race of the bearing. Look how it done chewed into the aluminum part here. Y'all see that? Dang, man, that is not good. Because that acts as a bushing. Really, this right here is like a bushing, and it's not going to be. This is not good, man. It's not going to ride like it's supposed to. So I don't think that's round no more. I'm going to have to get a whole nother one of these. We're going to get it off there and see what we got, man. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so y'all see what I'm saying on this. So I had to take the arm off, man. I hate doing that, but I had to. So this right here, y'all see that? See, it ain't gonna. This thing ain't gonna want to ride right. I guess it'll work, but y'all can see the inside there. Look, it's compromised. So, yeah. Let me get a... Okay guys, so I got it on there. Y'all see the pulley up in there. Y'all can see it. Got the belt back on. Man, this thing is a whole lot quieter now. So, yeah, now, you gotta be able to do stuff like this, man, if you're gonna be self-employed, man. You can't take it to the shop every time you need something like that done. Anyway, I did a video on it and all the things you have to do to get to that particular pulley on the Exmark Lazer Z X series. I'm gonna upload it. Be a short video for once, y'all, huh? Peace out.